Today I'll talk about what I typically eat for breakfast. I'll present two options, a 30-second organic granola and nut cereal, and a 60-second organic yogurt parfait with mixed fruit and nuts. Let's start with the cereal. I pour a serving or two of Alter Eco Granola. Alter Eco Granola is organic and has no added sugar. It's sweetened with natural ingredients like dates and monk fruit. They come in several flavors, my favorites being dark chocolate and almond butter. I pour some raw mixed nuts. Good and Gather raw mixed nuts have no added salt or flavorings, so these nuts can work well for both savory and sweet dishes. Let's top it off. Milk it. I like Califia's Unsweetened Almondmilk, which is 35 calories and fortified with vitamin D. It also has a vanilla variety. And there it is. That's almost the simplest healthy thing I can make combining two or more items, and it tastes great too. If I want something extra in terms of nutrition and taste, that only takes an additional 10 seconds. I sometimes add fruit in the form of a fruit bar. That's it. Fruit bars are 100% fruit and are a quick and easy way to top off my cereal. Now I'm moving on to the yogurt parfait. Let's throw in blueberries. I prefer wild blueberries, which have a higher concentration of antioxidants compared to cultivated blueberries. Let's throw in the Immunity Fruit blend. Pitaya's Immunity Fruit is organic Dragonfruit, Passionfruit, and mango, conveniently pre-cut. If you can't find it in the local store, you can order it on their website or a suitable authorized online retailer. Or you can find a suitable alternative option. Stick it in the microwave for 60 seconds. And now we'll add a glop of yogurt. My current favorite is unsweetened vanilla bean Harmless Harvest rich and creamy organic cultured coconut. I pour some raw mixed nuts. Same product as I used with the cereal. Good and Gather raw mixed, unsalted. And there it is, a simple, healthy yogurt parfait. If this helped or inspired you, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and/or share. What about you? What do you have for breakfast?